What is up, y'all? We are going to do a multi-part series on what I can make out of this massive 52100 ball bearing, so stick around. Alright, so got it all forged out from this ball bearing to this wakizashi. I know it's not a traditional wakizashi, so I know, don't tell me in the comments that, oh, that's not traditional. But anyways, so we have a multi-grind here, a hollow grind all through the body, and then a flat grind on the tip, which is pretty cool. Got it heat treated, it stayed straight, which I am super happy with, and it got nice and hard. So yeah, just now to temper and handle assembly. Thanks for watching.